Today, the prosecution rested its case against Steve Lawson, but not before playing revealing jailhouse calls. Lawson's one of 3 men charged in connection to the death of Crystal Rogers, who vanished from Bardstown in 2015. Her ex-boyfriend, Brooks Houck, and Steve Lawson's son, Joseph, are all facing charges. WLKY's Alexis Matthews joins us live inside the Morgan County Judicial Center in Bowling Green with the newest information from day 3 in court. Alexis?
Yeah, Jennifer, another tense day in court, to the point that a court officer had to stand in between the lead attorneys. But it was Steve Lawson's jail phone calls that were easily the standout moments from today. Now, as you'll hear momentarily, beyond discussing Crystal Rogers' disappearance, how the 2 callers were pressing Lawson about what happened is telling. Crystal Rogers' disappearance 10 years ago is one of the biggest mysteries in Nelson County, and pieces of that tragic puzzle are slowly being presented as the trial for one of the suspects continued Thursday. Steve Lawson is charged with tampering with physical evidence and conspiracy to commit murder. On the trial's 3rd day, jurors heard 2 hair-raising jail calls Lawson made last year that brought Rogers' family to tears in the courtroom. One on January 5th, Lawson's mother wanted to know, "Brooks Houck didn't ask you to kill her?" Lawson responded, "He said, I want her gone. I said, what are you talking about? I don't know why you're talking to me. No more, no less, end of story." They then talked about Rogers' car found on Bluegrass Parkway and Steve and Joseph Lawson's involvement with it. "Why in the hell did you take him to get her car?" Lawson's mother said. "I don't know, Mom. That's the truth." The call ends with her asking Lawson, "When you knew she was missing, why didn't you say something?" He responds, "Yeah, I should have said something right then." In a second call a few days later with an unknown person, Lawson is asked about Crystal's body. "I'm telling you, I don't know," he said. The frustrated caller says to Lawson, "It's premeditated murder." "There's no premeditation on my end," Lawson responded. "You could have saved that girl's life, and you didn't." Lawson says, "I never set nobody up." Now, a quick recap of this trial up to this point. The prosecution has rested after calling a total of 12 witnesses, and the defense closed day 3 with its first witness, an expert in DNA forensic, who spoke to the 2 strands of hair that were found in Crystal Rogers' car that were never tested. Now, Friday, we can expect more defense witnesses, closing arguments, and potentially the start of jury deliberations. Live from Bowling Green for you tonight, I'm Alexis Matthews, WLKY News.